My name is Sophie, and the Tool and Net project is to give young people an insight into the behind the scenes at the Millennium Centre.
Tune Up, it says it itself actually to give us the tools to be part of maybe a production in the future. And the best thing about this project is giving an insight in something that I probably won't have done on a daily basis or haven't got the chance to. And it's very interesting to see how these guys work technically. You know, it's very hands-on and it's giving an insight to something, like I said, is a new experience.
The skills and opportunities I gained from this was confidence building and teamwork. I got to set up stages, lights and learn a bit about sound and make some friends.
The best thing is getting industry professional insight and also accompanied with hands-on experience in the industry, which is hard to get.
The Millennium Centre is very close by and it offers a lot of opportunities, and especially if they're interested in this pathway, there's a lot of shows being put on. So if they can get involved in this kind of project, is a valuable experience they can gain in the backstage, and that can help them in the future and gain further experience in this industry.
It's just a very valuable insight into PR, marketing, anything you're interested in really. So today we're looking at sound engineering, lighting, how to set up stage for performances. And you also get the opportunity to network with people. So through this, I've got some work experience coming up with the PR team who do the PR for the Millennium Centre.